Want $500 a month in passive income without grinding a second job or waiting until you're 65? Most people think you need $1 million portfolio or decades of investing to pull that off. But the truth is, you don't need to be rich or anywhere near retirement. In this video, we'll break down exactly how much you need to invest and the 3 powerful ETFs that can help make it happen faster than most people think. In this video, we'll quickly break down how dividend investing works and how to pick the right ETFs to actually reach that $500 a month goal. Then, we'll walk you through the 3 specific ETFs we'd use and how to combine them into a strategy that builds real monthly income without taking wild risks or gambling your future. And by the end, you'll know exactly how much to invest based on your timeline and how fast you want that $500 a month rolling in. Before we build your $500 a month portfolio, let's start with the basics. What are dividends, and why should you care? When you buy a stock, you're buying ownership in a real business. Own a piece of McDonald's? That's your slice of the golden arches. And when that business earns a profit, it can reinvest, save, or reward you. That reward, a cash payment to shareholders, is called a dividend. Unlike trading stocks for quick wins, dividend investing pays you just for holding on. It's income that shows up while you're sleeping, working, or binge-watching finance videos. It's passive, it's predictable, and it's powerful. The best part, you don't need a massive portfolio to start. With ETFs and fractional shares, even a few bucks gets the snowball rolling. And when you reinvest those dividends, thanks to DRIP, dividend reinvestment plans, your payouts buy more shares, which earn more dividends, which buy even more shares. That's compound growth in action. Dividend investing is also known for its calm and consistency. Because when you invest regularly and hold long-term, you smooth out the market's highs and lows. That's dollar cost averaging doing its quiet, steady work. So, why dividends? Because it's simple, scalable, and it works. It's one of the few investing strategies that rewards patience with real cash flow. But here's the thing, not all dividend investments are equal. Some are rock solid, some pay monthly, and some high yield but high risk. So how do we choose the right combo to hit that $500 a month goal? Let's break it down. Now that we know what dividends are and why they matter, let's talk about how we actually pick the right ETFs to deliver real consistent income. First, simplicity. This strategy has to be easy to follow, even if you've never invested before. That means no complicated derivatives, no financial jargon, and no guesswork. Just straightforward funds holding real companies that can generate steady cash flow while you sit back and let them work. Second, visibility. You shouldn't have to wait a year just to see if the plan is working. You want to see that income roll in, monthly or quarterly, so it feels real, it's tangible. And most importantly, it keeps you motivated. That's why we focus on ETFs with frequent, reliable dividend payouts. And third, yield. If we're aiming for $500 a month, dividend yield matters. Too low, and we won't get there. Too high, and we risk chasing unstable funds that collapse when markets wobble. We're looking for that sweet spot, a balanced yield from funds with strong, lasting track records. Now, the good news? We've already done the research for you. After digging through dozens of options, we landed on 3 ETFs that check every box. One delivers monthly income like clockwork. Another brings rock-solid stability. And the last one, it adds high-yield boost to speed things up. Ready to meet them? Let's break down the 3 dividend ETFs powering this $500 a month plan. First stop on the income train is JEPI. This is the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. At its core, JEPI holds a basket of large-cap U.S. stocks. Think steady, well-known names like Microsoft, Alphabet, aka Google, and JP Morgan Chase. But here's the twist. JEPI doesn't just collect dividends from those stocks. It also sells call options on them. And the premiums from those options become part of your income. That means you're getting paid twice. Once from the stock dividends, again from the option premiums. It's a clever twist on traditional dividend investing, and it pays off. Now let's talk volatility, because JEPI sells options just outside the current stock prices, called out of the money. It trades off some upside in bull markets in exchange for more stability when things get choppy. That's why many call it a defensive income engine. And yes, it really pays monthly, with a yield currently hovering around 10.5%, sometimes even higher depending on the market. That's not a typo. JEPI pays a double-digit yield delivered like clockwork month after month. It typically holds around 100 to 150 stocks, all blue-chip cash-flowing giants. Then, it adds that covered call strategy using structured equity-linked notes to boost income. This combo gives JEPI a rare mix: high income, reduced volatility, monthly payouts you can count on. It's actively managed by JP Morgan, but with a low 0.35% expense ratio, it's surprisingly efficient for what it offers. If JEPI is your monthly income workhorse, the next ETF we'll cover is the steady backbone that keeps your portfolio balanced. SCHD. This ETF doesn't mess around. It focuses on high-quality U.S. companies with long, consistent track records of paying, and more importantly, growing their dividends. Now, it's not chasing the highest yields. SCHD plays a smarter game: consistency, quality, and long-term upside. Its strategy? Select companies with strong fundamentals. We're talking high return on equity, solid free cash flow, low debt, and a proven commitment to rewarding shareholders. The result? A portfolio of blue-chip businesses that don't just pay dividends, they grow them year after year. Take a look at its top holdings: PepsiCo, Broadcom, Cisco Systems, not just household names, but cash machines with stable earnings and investor-friendly policies. Now let's talk numbers. SCHD currently yields around 3.98%. That might not sound like much compared to JEPI's double-digit yield, but here's the kicker: dividend growth. Over the past few years, SCHD has increased its dividend payouts by an average of 16.7% annually. So while the yield starts lower, your income grows bigger over time. Add in a 7% plus average annual price return, and SCHD becomes a powerful engine for both wealth building and rising income. But SCHD isn't just about growth, it's about balance. Where JEPI delivers high income today, SCHD delivers growing income tomorrow and keeps your portfolio grounded with stability and long-term performance. You can think of it as your dividend anchor: reliable, steady, and built to last. But we're not done yet, because sometimes you want more than just stability. You want power. You want yield that makes a statement. Up next, the high-octane ETF that trades stability for serious income. RYLD. This ETF doesn't play it safe. It's all about maximizing income, and it's not shy about how it gets there. While other funds focus on dividend growth or stability, RYLD goes straight for the payout. It tracks the Russell 2000, which includes thousands of smaller, fast-moving U.S. companies, and it sells covered calls on that index every single month. What does that mean for you? RYLD earns option premiums from those calls, turning market volatility into monthly income. And that volatility? It's not a bug, it's a feature. The more the market swings, the bigger those premiums get. That's how RYLD pulls off a jaw-dropping yield of around 12.25%. Yes, 12% plus, one of the highest payouts you'll find in the entire ETF world. Under the hood, it holds exposure to small-cap companies, not your household tech giants, but names like Supermicro Computer, MicroStrategy, and Comfort Systems. Smaller players, bigger swings. Of course, that swing cuts both ways. With RYLD, you're trading some upside for steady income. If small caps surge, the covered calls may cap your gains. But if you're focused on cash flow now, and that's the goal here, that trade-off can make perfect sense. RYLD isn't meant to be your core holding. It's the high-yield wildcard, a calculated risk you take when you want to turbocharge your monthly income. Riskier than JEPI? No question. But with higher yield and more action, it adds a little extra kick to your dividend portfolio. So how do you actually turn these 3 ETFs into $500 a month in real, spendable income. Let's build the strategy. We're going with a simple equal split, 33% each into JEPI, SCHD, and RYLD. That mix gives you the best of all worlds. JEPI brings steady monthly yield with a disciplined covered call strategy. SCHD keeps things grounded with high-quality stocks and long-term growth. RYLD is the wild card, higher risk, but serious income potential. Put them together and you get an average dividend yield of about 8.92%. Here's how we got that. Take JEPI's 10.52%, SCHD's 3.98%, and RYLD's 12.25%. Add them up, divide by 3, and boom, 8.92% blended yield. And that's a powerful number, especially for a portfolio that's still diversified, income-focused, and built to grow. Now, for the big question. How much do you need to invest to hit $500 a month? Just multiply $500 by 12 months, then divide by 8.92%. That gives you a target of roughly $67,290. That's the upfront amount needed to generate $6,000 per year, or $500 per month in dividends. Too much? No problem. You can start smaller and grow into it. If you got 5 years, just invest $258 a week, about $86 into each ETF. Stick with it, reinvest your dividends, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Have 10 years instead? Even better. You only need to invest $82 a week, just $27 into each fund every week. That's manageable, that's realistic, and that's powerful, even if you're just starting from scratch. Because this strategy isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a machine, one that pays you every week, every month, and eventually lets your money work harder than you do. And there you have it, 3 ETFs working together to build a $500 a month income stream that grows while you sleep. Because this isn't about chasing the next hot trend. It's about making smart moves that compound quietly into freedom. Still hungry for more ETF strategies? Tap the video on your screen and let's take this to the next level with even more ways to make your money work for you.